Hello students, welcome to our simple tutorial on how to create your Google Classroom and share it on your Google site. Step 1. Create your Google Classroom. Let's go to Google Classroom. So in a new tab, I'm gonna go to classroom.google.com. Ensure that you're logged into your BMC student account. Click the plus right in the top right hand corner. All right, click on the plus and select create class. In the create class dialog box, insert the class name, for example, grade 10 B1. Place the class name in the top line here. So I'm gonna put POA, so it's 10B1 POA, and just leave the others empty. All right, create. Okay, so now we have our 10B1 POA class. All right, so we just created our Google Classroom, the skeleton really. All right, there are 4 critical tabs at the top in the Google Classroom. There are stream, classwork, people, and grades. All right, so here we have the stream, and if you look, when you click on stream, it tells you that this is where you can talk to your class. So you can use the stream to share announcements, post assignments, and respond to students' queries. All right, the classwork area is where you organize the content by clicking on create. So if you want to create topics or weekly assignments, you can go ahead and click topic and insert the different topics. I'm going to be using the topic structure. All right, you can also insert assignments, quizzes, questions for discussions and so forth, materials like PDFs, videos, etc. All right, so this is the classwork, and to me this is like the most important part. All right, if you want to view all the persons who are in the class, you click on people. You can go ahead and click on add students or invite students to locate the students by email and add them. That's one way of adding persons to your Google Classroom. Another way is to return to the stream area and just click on the class code. You'll see the 3 little buttons there. It's for action. So you click on the action button and click copy class invite link. All right, once it's copied, you can then take this class link and you can go over to the Moodle. You can go back to Moodle now. You can share this class link in the discussion forum for your Google Classroom. So that's in Unit 5 Google Classroom. You can just invite your classmates to check out your Google Classroom by clicking on add a new discussion topic, add your name, and then you just tell your classmates something. This is just a skeletal structure still. So we're gonna add more to the Google Classroom, but we're just showing how we can share it. So here I'm gonna say, hi everyone. Please join my Google Classroom by clicking on the following link. And here you go. You paste your link, all right, and then you click post. Post to forum. Good, and it should be available now, and persons should be able to click on your link and it should take them to your Google Classroom. All right, so that's this for starters. Another thing that we need to do is to insert our Google Classroom link to our Google Class to our website. So I'm going to go to sites.google.com. So it's a site that you created from in January. That same Google site, right? So I'm going to go to my Google site, and I think this is it, the one that says education technology. I think this is the one, right? So you will note your Google Classroom. You'll see the one that you started in January. So it should have on it your personal philosophy, your course reflection, quiz tab, Google Classroom. The page that says Google Classroom, you're gonna just go there. I did this demonstration with another class, and you're going to, I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna insert a text box, and I'm going to type class link colon some space, Control V, or right click and paste. And now my class link is available here. All right, I can bold the words class link, click bold, and my link is here. I click publish. I click publish again to ensure that my page goes through. And now it is published on my page. All right, so remember now the link that the Google site link that you shared in the first week, that's the Google site that you need to now paste the Google Classroom link to. Let us return to our Google Classroom. So we know how to create, how to start it. Yes, we know how to create it. We know how to get the class link. All right, now we're gonna customize our banner. Now look at how to customize by just clicking on customize banner. All right, so you can select an image from the default images that are on Google Classroom, or you can upload an image from scratch. All right, so if you have an image that you saved on the system, you will go ahead and click upload and upload that image. If not, just go ahead and select from the options that are there. All right, to customize. Okay, all right, so you can look through, click on the different themes that are there, and select the one that best suits you. For those who are specializing in maths and science, you have some over here for that. Those in language or history, you have those here. Arts, sports, and other areas. All right, so just find something that is matching your subject. All right, whatever is matching, whatever is closely matching, if you so desire to use these. All right, so you can choose from any of those, and once you have done so, you can go ahead and click save. All right, so let me choose one. I should have chosen one. So select, I'm gonna choose English, that, and I'm gonna click save. All right, so I have my grade, the class name, the subject. Okay, we should be good to go there, and we were able to generate our class code. So remember, this is where you click on to get the class link, and then this is what you will share on the Google site. That's one thing. So that's the first part of everything. And then we move over now to the classwork tab. The classwork tab allows us to create resources. I'm going to click on create to create two topics for my subject, POA. Click create, click topic. On the accounts, I'm going to do introduction to accounts. That's one, and I click add. So type the topic, click add, and it will appear. Create to add another topic. Another topic is types of businesses. Click add. So now I have two topics, and if I want to add resources under each topic, it's also very simple. I'm gonna go to create, And let us say I want to add a video. I'm going to open a new tab, YouTube, and I'm going to look for a video, YouTube, a YouTube video on introduction to accounts.
And cupcakes to a customer.
All right, so we located
According to the accrual principle,
we located a video, an introduction to accounting principles. And so I'm going to go ahead and copy. So I highlight the URL, the address for the YouTube video, right click on it, copy. I'm going to return to my Google Classroom and I'm going to go to create and I'm going to go to materials. I'm going to insert, I'm going to say YouTube video or accounting principles. And concepts. And I'm going to go ahead. This is optional. You can put a little description. What is this about? I like to say that the description area is where you can give instructions as to what they need to do with the resource. So here you probably want to tell the students to watch this video and answer the questions, and you'll give your questions. All right, and so there are three areas. You have the title, a description, and attach area. We're going to attach the video. So here I click YouTube and I'm gonna search, gonna paste my video link that I copied a while ago, paste it and search for it. Click on the search tab and click add video. Now my video is there. I can go ahead and click post. Before I click post, guys, sorry, topic. So in the topic area, I'm going to choose which topic this comes under. It comes under introduction to accounts, and I click post. All right, and you'll notice that, right, one thing to note as well is that you can organize the content. So let us say you notice that types of business organizations is in front of introduction to accounts. I'm gonna just move this down by just clicking on the topic there and pulling it down. All right, so I'm keeping introduction to accounts at the top and types of accounts next. I want to add another resource. Let us say I'm gonna look for types of business organization handouts. I'm gonna go to Google. Said we're going to use a link. All right, so types of business organizations. All right, and here they tell you that there are three main types of business organizations: the sole trader or sole proprietor, partnership, and corporation. So I'm good with this link and I'm going to just click on it, right click, copy, return to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to click on create material, learning material, and here this is types of business organizations, and I'm going to go down to the description and write my instructions. Follow the link, follow this link to explore the main types of businesses. And I'm gonna go down to the attach area now where I have link. Click on it and just paste the link. All right, I did Control+V is the shortcut for paste, and click add link. Now I have my link, I have my description, I have my title. I need to choose my topic. All right, and this goes under types of business organizations, and I click post. It's assigned to all students, so I leave it at that, post. All right, so very important is to understand the importance of this action button. The action button is for every resource. You can click on any of them and you can edit the item that it goes with. Let us say you want to rename this topic. When you click the action button, you can rename. You can also delete a topic or you can copy it. All right. You can down here the same thing. If you want to move down to, you notice that it shows you the option. So remember a while ago I just drag and drop. You can also use the action button to move it down. All right. So that's how we create our topics and how we add resources to the different topics. All right. Um, People, whenever persons click on your join link, you will be able to now see who these students are. So everybody will click join. All the persons will click join from the discussion, the Google Classroom discussion, and we will, once they join, we will see them appearing in among your students list. All right, that's the people. We're going to return to the classwork again because we need to also add an assignment. So I'm going to go to create and I'm going to go to assignment. Click assignment. It is called POA project. This one here, POA project. Write the instructions for the POA project. Good. And so this is the project structure. This is the project structure. All right, we are going to now go to the right hand side of the screen and we are going to decide on how much points it will be marked out of. Select a due date by clicking on the calendar, due, and let's say that this is due April 30. Okay. And we can tick the box that says close submissions after due date. All right, the topic, select which topic this falls under. This is types of business organizations. We're going to make a little grading rubric as well. So the rubric, click create rubric. We're going to select the criterion, 4 things: research and report. All right, that's the title. You can add a little description and then how much will that be marked out of. I'm going to say 20. All right, and I'm going to click add a criterion. Gonna add another one. That's the first one, presentation clarity. Clarity and the points. I'm going to mark that out at 20 as well. Add another criteria. Everything should be 25. Let's say 25 for everything. So I'm gonna scroll up and edit all the other criteria. Make them 25. 25, 25. So everything is, the total is 100 marks. And so when I'm through with this grading rubric, I'll click save. And now I have my assignment, my grading rubric. If you want to check for plagiarism to see how similar the content is to other things on the web, you can go ahead and click check plagiarism. So when the students upload their work, it will actually check the similarity and compare that to your similarity index. All right, to say how original is a document. When you're through, you click assign. When you're through with the assignment, click assign. All right, so that is how we will uh, add resources. So here I added a POA project. So this is the assignment. Again, I can move this down by clicking on the action, move down. And so the POA project is moved down below the content. All right, and so I have two resources, two learning resources plus an assignment. All right, two topics. Under each topic, I have one learning material and an assignment under the second topic. So you are required to create your very own Google Classroom with the correct classroom activities. So include at least two topics, and under each topic, include at least two learning resources, and then you're going to create an assignment and a grading rubric for that assignment. All right. When you're through with all of that, let's go back to stream. So in the stream now, you're seeing the information that you created, or the materials and the assignments, all the things that you have done. We're going to go ahead and add an announcement here. So go ahead, click announcement, and the assignment specifically said that you can add a video or an audio navigation navigation video or audio. All right, so what you can do, write a nice welcome message and just create an audio in Audacity or so and upload it. So you just do the same uploading like you've been doing so far. Upload the file, browse for it, add it. So students have options. So they can either read the welcome message or they can click on the link with the welcome message. All right. Or you can create your own little video and then you upload it to YouTube and add the YouTube link here. But whatever you do, you need to include an audio or video to your welcome message. So here I'm going to start off with welcome to our Google Classroom. Um, I will be your teacher and I am looking forward to a wonderful term or year. Most of you have them for a year with you all. Good. You can include things like your contact information, you know, what's the best way to reach you, if it's via email or via phone call or WhatsApp. All right. And when you're through with that, and when you have added your audio or video welcome as well to the welcome message, go ahead and click post. All right. And that will be on your stream. All right, everybody. So I should see that on your stream. Okay. So I really don't think there's anything that I'm missing. Let me look through here. Okay, so that is pretty much how we go about creating our Google Classroom, adding our welcome message, adding our classwork, including our assignments, and sharing our link for persons to join us. All right, so we click on copy class invite link. All right, and we paste that link in our Google Classroom page on our Google site, as well as on the discussion forum for the Google Classroom in Unit 5. Okay.